Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to write your first script in Unity. If you're ready, let's get started. First, we'll create a new script file in our project. To create a new script, simply right-click in the Assets folder and go to Create greater than ch script. When we first open our script in Visual Studio, it will look something like this. You'll see this default template that Unity automatically generates for us. This line allows us to use Unity's built-in features like game objects, components, and much more. This defines our class, GameEnager, and links it to MonoBehavior, which is the base class for all Unity scripts. This is a special function that runs once when the game starts. It's perfect for initial setup. This function runs every frame, allowing us to check or change things continuously throughout the game. Now, we can begin adding our own code inside the functions to control how our game behaves. Let's learn our first code. So, what exactly is Debug.Log? It's a simple command that prints messages to the console, helping you track specific actions in your game. Whether it's confirming the game has started, tracking score changes, or detecting collisions, Debug.Log is a great tool for debugging. Let's add a Debug.Log to track when the game starts and perform some initial checks. For example, we can print a message to the console to confirm that the game has started and check if certain operations are running properly. Don't forget, for your scripts to run, you need to attach them to a game object in the scene. Simply creating a script in the project folder won't make it execute. As we can see, now that our game is running, we can track what's happening in the game using the logs. For example, when the game starts, we see the message the game has started. Now, let's move on to the update function. Unlike the start function, which runs only once when the game starts, the update function runs every single frame of the game. This makes it perfect for tasks that need to happen constantly, like tracking movement or updating values. As you can see, with the update function, the message is printed every frame. In Unity, there are different types of log messages: debug, log, debug, log warning, and debug logger. Each of these has its own purpose and can be filtered separately in the console. You can control the visibility of logs in Unity by adjusting the console settings. This helps keep the console clean and focused on the most important messages, especially when debugging or testing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.